Retail dropshipping has changed my life. It's a beyond simple business model that anyone can do, and yet it works and is profitable from week one. You can learn retail dropshipping in just 5 minutes watching this video. Starting a dropshipping business on sites like TikTok Shop, Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, Etsy, Amazon, and Poshmark, among many others, turned out to be a game changer for me. The beauty of retail dropshipping lies in its simplicity. Imagine picking products from Amazon as an example, and then just listing them on somewhere like Facebook Marketplace at a higher price. When a customer buys from you, you then order the product from Amazon and ship it directly to them, pocketing the price difference as your profit. This method doesn't require you to buy in bulk, rent storage space, or manage any inventory. You only purchase the product after it's sold, using the customer's payment to cover the cost. To this day, people typically have several objections when I recommend this business. The first is usually somewhere along the lines of, how can you make any money marking other people's products up? Customers are smart and they price on. And yes, customers are smart, but you're not competing on price on these websites. That's the kicker. Take TikTok Shop, for example. You're not competing against all the other sellers that are selling in the same niche or selling similar products to you. You're selling directly to customers with your videos. You're not competing on price. Take Poshmark, for example. While Poshmark is heavily search-based and prices obviously do matter, their algorithm actually doesn't suggest products based on the best price, unless you specifically go in and sort it that way, and most customers don't. It suggests relevant products based on how recently they were shared, which means, again, you're not competing on price. Now, I've made millions in sales on all of these websites over the past 2 years. My message is simple. Don't overcomplicate it. This business model isn't supposed to be super sexy or highly complex. It is simple, but simple works, trust me. Not to mention, it's better than both Shopify dropshipping and other forms of e-commerce. Let me explain. Let's start with comparing it to Shopify dropshipping as an example. Shopify dropshipping is not the way to go for 99% of people that want to get into e-commerce. If you're pumping money into popular platforms like TikTok, Facebook, or Google to drive traffic to your website, which is usually what you need to do to get results, here's the cold hard truth. Maintaining consistent profitability is incredibly challenging if you can even construct a profitable ad campaign in the first place. Sure, finding a profitable product and pairing it with the right ad campaign where you're driving sales can be a euphoric feeling. But even if you find the successful combo, the competition will likely catch on very quickly, driving up your ad costs and stealing your sales. You could be throwing your money into a bottomless pit without ever having the promise of finding a winner and just restarting the cycle every single time until you give up. Retail dropshipping on websites like Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, eBay, TikTok Shop, Poshmark, Mercari, Etsy, and the list goes on, hold the key to a more sensible and immediately profitable e-commerce journey. Here's why. They already have a large customer base actively searching for these products. This means you don't have to burn money on ads to attract buyers. Instead, you invest your time listing products, making your effort the only risk factor. And you can even outsource the listing process to a combination of software and virtual assistants to run this business for you. More on this shortly. Now, when it comes to other e-com businesses like online arbitrage, wholesale FBA, flipping stuff from Goodwills or garage sales, those do work. But the biggest issue that you'll run into as you scale is definitely cash flow. 99% of the time, your products won't sell as fast as you're buying them, and you'll be stuck waiting for things to sell in order to get money back so you can buy more products again and again, unless you plan on continuously putting more money into it. Retail dropshipping offers a much better approach, and you can be profitable from week one. Leveraging existing marketplaces where buyers are already searching for specific products is the approach that will get you results fast. You can list products from retail websites onto platforms already exploding with ready-to-buy customers, and this approach offers a more profitable and less risky alternative for many people.